So children, we have completed our poem A Walk with a Grandpa. The next page, the page number 32 in our textbook. Here we can see some grammar part, children. Here we have. So this is very easy and very simple. So the first they have given, do you go for a walk with your grandpa or grandma? So children, are you going a walk with your grandpa or grandmother? Suppose if it is answer is yes. So here they have given the two boxes, yes or no. Then you can give the tick mark to the yes, and if it is no means, so no, leave it. So you can give the cross mark there. So next one, the second woman, tick the things that you would like to do with your grandparents. So children, what are the things you want to do with your grandparents? What are the things you like to do with your grandparents? For example, here they have given us some they have given the sentences they have given. So 8 things what you want to do, and they have given a small blank. So you can give the tick mark here in front of the sentence. The first one they told, read a book. So you like to read a book along with your grandparents? If it is yes, you can give the tick mark. If it is no, you can give the cross mark there. Listening to a story, yes, definitely. This work I too will do. So even along with my grandparents, I want to listen to beautiful stories. So our grandparents are there, I will say very interesting stories also. So in olden days like that, so whatever the experience they have in their life, they used to say everything like in a small stories. So next one, play games. You want to play games with your parents? Yes. So this one also we can do. And go for a walk. Yes, definitely. So even I also want to go along with my grandparents. So going for a walk. And watch television. Yes. So any cartoon networks or anything we'll have. So we used to enjoy with our grandparents, and we can watch the TV also. So next one, go to the park. So yes, we'll have a walk and we can go to the park also. If it is yes, you can give the tick mark, children. In front of this, here we can give the small blank is it, you can give the tick mark. Run a race. So keeping a running race like that. So this you can do, but grandparents they can't able to run maybe. So but still we can enjoy by seeing by seeing your running race, they can enjoy. And draw and paint. Yes, this they can do. Drawing and painting we can do along with our grandparents. So children, whatever you want to do, you can give the tick mark. Suppose if the things which you can't do, that you can give the cross mark there. So this has been completed you have to complete in your textbooks. So up to here this Roman will be completed. And the last Roman here you have, that is just, it's not a grammar part, just fun time. So here you can paste the pictures of your grandparents. My grandmother, my grandfather. So grandmother and grandfather, 2 pictures you can paste in your books. So I call my grandmother and I call my grandfather. So children, what do you call your grandparents? So before only we have already discussed about that. So everybody will have their grandparents. What do you call to your grandparents? So all of them are not calling the same. The different children they used to call to their grandparents with the different names. Some of them, for example, granny, nanny, amamma, like that, and ammappa. So in the Tamilian children will the ammappa, like that. Some of them will call dadu, nanu. So grandpa, grandma, nani, like that. So that they used to call different names. So what you are calling to your grandfather or grandmother, you can write, children, here in the blanks. They have already given here the blanks. So first one, I call my grandmother. So what do you call to your grandmother? That there you have to write. And I call my grandfather. What do you call to your grandfather? So you can write in the blank. So children, here we have completed our beautiful poem, Walk with a Grandpa. So I hope all of you enjoyed the poem and you have reminded all that. So now you are anyhow in the holidays. We are anyhow enjoying with our holidays with our grandparents, with our family. So, but still some of the friends are not the school friends, but still we are enjoying with our families. So mummy, daddy, so our grandparents, nearby our neighbors, the friends. So anyhow, so we are reminding them. So again we can remind them our grandparents. So the importance of grandparents also. I hope all of you understood the poem and the grammar part, children. All of you complete in your textbooks. Thank you.